Arizona, supporting the Arizona Youth Climate Strike. Why? As seekers and pilgrims and people who are on the path, there's no time here for a spiritual bypass. If you are on a spiritual path, it's time for us to act. It's not time for us to be in denial, to put our head in the sand and say that we're spiritual so this doesn't apply to us. It's time to act and to be present and to do something. Bring your gifts in the world to create oneness and wholeness. And it begins not only with self, but reaching out to Mother Earth, because as you know, we're all connected. And if Mother Earth is sick because of us, that means we're sick, right? We're creating the destruction, right? We're creating the dis-ease in Mother Earth because there's dis-ease in us. Let go of spiritual bypass. Come out, be a part of this oneness. Support Mother Earth. Support all sentient beings. Be in support of love. Namaste. Woo! We're here together for the planet, for each other, for the children, Mother Earth, the animals. It's time we realize that we are interconnected. That we have to stand up and take action. Because our survival as human beings, having this human experience, spiritual beings, having this human experience requires a home, a planet, a physical planet. And we are stewards of this planet.
We're gonna strike for you, will you strike for us?
We're gonna strike cause our waters are rising.
We're gonna strike cause our waters are rising.
We're gonna strike cause our people are dying.
We're gonna strike cause our people are dying.
We're gonna strike for life.
We're gonna strike for life.
And everything we love.
And everything we love.
We're gonna strike for you, will you strike for us?
We're gonna strike for you, will you strike for us?
That was amazing. I see you really getting into it.
I'm here to stand up for people and human rights and environmental rights, and to finally get noticed for climate action that we need desperately. And it's like incredible to see so many people come out here and show their voice when it's been suppressed for so long by big corporations and governments. And so I'm just really here to let my voice be heard.
Wonderful, Morgan. How old are you?
I'm 19.
19?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for your activism and for standing up for the planet.
Thank you.
Ariane, how old are you?
9,
9. And why are you here today?
because I want to help the world not burn down to death.
Wow. Did anyone tell you that, or you just, that's your own thought and feeling?
My thought,
Your thought. What do you see we can do better in the world?
we can make electric cars so smoke won't come out, so it won't make it hotter.
Beautiful. If you had anything to say to adults, what would you tell us?
Do the right thing.
Thank you. Do the right thing. You're wise at 9. Thank you.